Did you know that the strongest armor can become your greatest prison? In the moonlit temple, Kenjiro removes his katana first, then his chest plate. Each piece of steel hits the stone floor with a hollow clang. For 30 years, he trained his heart to feel nothing. Pain was weakness, joy was distraction, love was vulnerability. Now, standing bare in the silver light, he presses his hand to his chest. Nothing. His heart beats, but he cannot feel it. The rain outside sounds distant, like it belongs to another world. He remembers the day he first smiled as a child, then the day he decided smiling was foolish. He remembers holding his dying master's hand, then the moment he chose never to care that deeply again. Piece by piece, he built walls so high that even he could not climb over them. The temple bell rings. For the first time in decades, the sound makes him pause. Not because it is loud, but because something inside him wants to listen. True strength is not the absence of feeling. It is feeling everything and choosing courage anyway.